our local air tensioning system at the back. So we always release the tension before we open the system at the front. So we're gonna do that. So we have this crank storage on the rear car. It travels with the car all the time. So you remove it. You open the system. Very simple to operate. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. As you can see, it's very easy to open the system. Now once it's open, you can either store it back in the storage, or you can just leave it on the, however you prefer it.